let's write here console.log, let's say type of, okay, type of array. Now let me print this one. Yeah, you see guys, we got an object. Why? Because array in JavaScript is nothing but an object with a different behavior and additional features. Okay, and that is why when we are trying to find out type of array, it will print object, right? Now let's say I'm getting some data from server. Now I want to verify that data is array or not, so that I can work on that, I can process that. So in this case, we have a special method guys, that is Array.isArray. It is a method that will determine whether the given value is array or not. It will return true if the value is array. It will return false if the value is not array. Okay, so let's see that. So let me close this one. Let me write here array.isArray. Okay, array.isArray, and it will take only one parameter guys, that is the value that you want to check. So I want to pass array here. Okay, simple. Now let me run this one. Yeah, you see guys, we got true. Why? Because this is an array. And guys, this is a static method, which is why I'm calling it on array constructor, but not on the instance of array. Okay, so we have to call it using array constructor, array.isArray, and we have to pass the value. Right, now let's say I will pass here something called string. Okay, now let's run this one. Yeah, you see guys, we got false because this is a string, right? Likewise, let me pass value, which is a number. Now let me run this one. Yeah, you see, we got false, right? And also we can do this, we can dynamically pass values. For example, I can pass here object. Let me write a property called age and let me write 45, right? Now it should print false because that is an object. Now likewise, I can pass here something called, let's say, array. Okay, so let me write here 2, 3, 4. Now this is array. Let me close this one. Yeah, awesome. Now let me run this one. Yeah, you see guys, we got true. Why? Because this is an array, right? So like this, when you want to find out whether a value is array or not, and when you want to work on that, instead of using type of operator, you can use this isArray method and find out if the value is array or not. Okay, I hope you guys got the clarity. Don't forget to subscribe guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.